Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to translate the whole website into other languages with a quick way. So here you just need to open the websites that you want to use. So for this moment, I would like to use the Safari for looking for the website. So here I already prepared the website for you. This website is in the English language. So if you have a difficulty or struggling with the English language, so you just need to translate this whole website. How to do that? You just need to go scrolling up the website until we got these options here, and then you just need to go simply click this alphabet characters, and there will be an options about the everything about the website. If you want to translate a whole website, go click this translate website. And now you just need to pick what language that you want to translate it to. You can use Indonesian, Arabic, Korean, or you can also choose another languages by go preferred language here. And they will be bring you into the language and region of your phone, and then you just need to go click add language, and you just need to find the language that you want to cut for your iPhone system. So let's just back into the Safari. Let's just translate it into the Indonesian. So translate website and just go click the Indonesia. And you just need to go click enable translations. And now the whole website is already translated into Indonesian. So that is the way how to translate the whole website into other languages. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching guys, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.